do you say have fun in Italian? And if there's one thing that we can all agree on, it's that Italians really know how to enjoy life and have a good time, right? But have you ever wondered how to actually say have fun in Italian? Well, in this lesson, we'll explore the top 4 ways that you can wish someone a great time, as well as a few other important sayings related to this topic. I'm going to share lots of real-world examples too, so you'll know exactly how and when to use each one. And don't worry about taking notes, I've done all the hard work for you. To help you to practice what you're about to learn here today, make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet with all the vocabulary and examples from this lesson. Just click on the link in the description box below this video. Pronti? Are you ready? Iniziamo! Let's get started! So how do you say have fun in Italian? Well, the direct translation of have fun in Italian is
avere divertimento.
Now, while this is grammatically correct, it sounds awkward in everyday conversation. Instead, Italians rotate between 5 popular phrases to express this sentiment. And if you want to sound more native-like, incorporating these into your conversations is a great start. The first phrase is
Divertiti.
Now, this is the top phrase for telling someone to have fun in Italian. It works in every situation, whether they are embarking on a wild night out or a relaxing vacation or a fancy event.
Divertiti
Is the imperative form of the reflexive verb
divertirsi.
which means to have fun or to enjoy oneself. So with this expression, you're addressing the person directly through the reflexive pronoun ti, meaning you. Therefore, it feels more personal and direct. Here's a fun fact. The word
Divertirsi.
comes from the Latin verb
Divertere.
meaning to turn away or to change direction. So in a way, it suggests distracting your mind from everyday stress, exactly what having fun is all about, right? Now, this expression can change depending on whether you're speaking in a formal or an informal context. Now, when speaking casually with people you're familiar with, such as friends or family, you'll use the informal versions of the verb divertirsi, to have fun. Take a look.
Divertiti.
Have fun. Now use this when addressing one person. For example,
Divertiti. E mi raccomando, chiama.
have fun and don't forget to call me. This is a typical Italian motherly advice. You can also say,
Divertitevi.
have fun. Use this when talking to a group. For example,
Ciao ragazzi. Divertitevi in vacanza.
bye guys, have fun on vacation, holiday. Now when speaking in a formal context, such as with a boss, a client or someone you don't know well, you need to adapt the verb to the formal you in Italian. Lei for one person and voi for a group. Take a look.
Si diverta.
Have fun. Use this when addressing one person. For example,
Si diverta in crociera, signora Rossi.
have fun on the cruise, Mr. Rossi. You can also say,
Divertitevi.
have fun. Use this for a group. Now this remains the same as in the informal version, but the tone is more respectful. For example,
Signori, divertitevi e per qualsiasi cosa sapete dove trovarmi.
gentlemen, have fun, and if you need anything, you know where to find me. And to make your wish for having fun even more special, you can enhance divertiti with additional phrases, such as
Divertiti più che puoi.
have as much fun as you can,
Divertiti un mondo.
have a blast,
Divertiti a più non posso.
have fun to the fullest,
Divertiti e stai senza pensieri.
have fun and don't worry about a thing. Now to learn how to use reflexive verbs in Italian, make sure you watch my video lesson right here. Are you enjoying this lesson? Don't let the learning stop here. Make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet for this lesson, which you'll find a link to below this video. Another classic but more generic way to say have fun in Italian is
Buon divertimento.
It literally translates to good fun, and it can be used in all contexts, so you don't have to worry about the formality of the situation. Plus, it's impersonal, meaning it doesn't refer to any specific person, which makes it perfect for sharing with everyone. Now, this expression comes from the masculine form of the adjective
buono,
which means good, and the word
divertimento.
which means fun or amusement. Put them together and voila, you have a cheerful expression that works everywhere. Take a look at these examples.
Buon divertimento alla partita.
Have fun at the game.
Grazie a tutti e buon divertimento.
Thank you all and have fun.
Auguriamo buon divertimento a tutti i partecipanti.
We wish all the participants a great time. Now you can make your wish a bit more personal by adding a specific group or a person's name. Take a look at these examples.
Buon divertimento, tesoro.
Have fun, darling.
Buon divertimento, ragazzi.
Have fun, boys.
Buon divertimento, bambini.
Have fun, kids.
Buon divertimento, amici miei.
Have fun, my friends.
Signore, buon divertimento.
Ladies, have fun. Now, are you confused when to use bravo, buono, bene, and bello? Well, make sure you watch my video lesson right here. Okay, let's take a look at the next phrase to say have fun in Italian. It is
Goditela.
want to encourage someone to really savor the moment? Use this phrase. Now, this Italian expression is similar to the English enjoy it to the fullest, but with a more informal and enthusiastic tone. Perfect for telling someone to soak in the experience completely. For instance, you might say,
Finalmente è arrivata la pensione. Goditela.
finally, retirement is here. Enjoy it. See how in this sentence you're cheering someone up to fully enjoy their well-earned retirement after years of hard work. To emphasize this idea further, you might say,
Goditela alla grande.
enjoy it big. Now, the structure of this is a bit more complex than the previous expressions, but once you break it down, it makes more sense. Now, this comes from the pronominal verb,
Godersela.
which is made up of
Godere.
the main verb, meaning to enjoy,
Sì.
the reflexive pronoun, referring to the person doing the enjoying. When combined with another pronoun, it changes to
Se. La.
this is the direct object pronoun, referring to what's being enjoyed. The form of goditela, have fun, changes depending on the gender and number of the object being enjoyed. Here are some examples.
Goditela.
Feminine singular. For example, you might say,
Lucca è una splendida città. Goditela.
Lucca is a beautiful city. Enjoy it.
Goditelo.
Masculine singular.
Ecco un bel gelato al cioccolato. Goditelo.
Here's a nice chocolate ice cream. Enjoy it.
Godetevele.
Feminine plural.
Queste vacanze sono meritatissime. Godetevele.
These holidays are well deserved. Enjoy them.
Godiamoceli.
Masculine plural.
Godiamoceli adesso perché poi i figli crescono.
Let's enjoy them now because the kids will grow up soon. Attenzione! Be careful when using the verb
Godere.
on its own, especially in its imperative form, like
Godi.
in Italian, this often carries a more intimate or sexual meaning, which isn't exactly appropriate in everyday conversations. So to avoid misunderstandings, stick to goditela and its variations when you're encouraging someone to fully enjoy something. Now, to learn how to use pronominal verbs in Italian, make sure you watch my video lesson right here. Okay, let's take a look at the next phrase, which is
Spassatela.
now, this is another casual and playful way to wish someone to truly let loose and make the most of their time. Similar to,
Godersela.
it comes from the pronominal verb,
Spassarsela.
which means to have a blast or to enjoy oneself. The key difference is that you don't need to change the ending based on the specific thing you're enjoying. It's a more general expression for having a good time, no matter what you're doing. Take a look at these examples.
Spassatela in Sicilia.
Have a great time in Sicily.
Spassatevela alla festa di Serena. Sarà epica.
Have a blast at Serena's party. It will be epic.
Spassiamocela. Si vive una volta sola.
Let's enjoy ourselves. You only live once. Now, just like with goditela, you can also emphasize this saying by saying,
Spassatela alla grande.
have a super great time. Are you enjoying this lesson? Don't let the learning stop here. Make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet, which I've linked to in the description box below this video. Okay, the next phrase you need to learn is
Che la festa abbia inizio.
Now, this literally means let the party begin. Now, this is a cheerful Italian expression that is commonly used to switch on the ultimate celebration mode. Now, when you say this, you're generating some serious excitement, encouraging everyone to let loose and have fun, whether it's a birthday bash, a spontaneous get-together, or a wild night out. Take a look at these examples.
Indossa il tuo vestito più bello e che la festa abbia inizio.
Put on your best dress and let the party begin.
Signori e signore, che la festa abbia inizio.
Ladies and gentlemen, let the party begin.
In alto I bicchieri e che la festa abbia inizio.
Raise your glasses and let the party begin. Now let's take a look at some Italian sayings that use buono to mean enjoy something. Now, when we want to wish someone enjoyment or have fun in English, we often use phrases like have fun or enjoy. Italians, however, typically use the word
Buono.
meaning good, followed by a noun. Take a look at these common expressions.
Buona giornata.
Have a good day.
Buone vacanze.
Happy holidays.
Buon viaggio.
Have a safe trip. Safe travels.
Buon Natale.
Merry Christmas.
Buon riposo.
Sleep well.
Buon appetito.
Enjoy your food or meal.
Buon proseguimento.
Enjoy the rest of. Take a look at these examples.
Buon viaggio. Ci sentiamo al tuo ritorno.
Safe travels. We'll talk when you return or get back.
Buon Natale a te e ai tuoi genitori.
Merry Christmas to you and your parents. Now, to learn more expressions like these, make sure you watch my lesson on how to say good in Italian, which covers all the different uses of buono, and you can do that by watching this video here. Now, to continue your learning and to help you practice everything you've learned here today, make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet for this lesson, and you'll find a link to that in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, then you'll love Intrepid Italian, my series of online self-paced video courses that break down everything you need to know about Italian using my unique 80-20 method. More details in the description below. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't miss my lesson on how to cheat your way to fluency using modal verbs. This is a real game changer. Click on this video right here. Plus, if you want to master Italian word order and sentence structure, make sure you watch this video lesson right here. In the meantime, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those notifications so you get an alert when I post more video lessons like this one. Until next time, un abbraccio. Ciao!